Hey guys, welcome to week number 18 of the 20-week Say Goodbye to Overweight program. Today's workout number 2. Link to workout number 1 is right above here, which was the reverse pyramid workout. It was full cardio, all out. Give it a shot if you haven't already done so. Today's workout is going to be legs, and we're doing drop sets. I'm going to be using some basic equipment. I'm going to be using bands and some dumbbells. It's going to be 9 different exercises with 30-second break after each set of 3 exercises. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, give me a thumbs up. I'll see you on the floor behind me in about 15 seconds after the intro. Alright, welcome back. Today, since we are doing a leg workout, notice I'm not wearing any shoes and I took the blue mat out of here so the floor is a little bit harder. I have a little more control over my footing. I suggest you do the same if you generally work out in gym shoes, especially when doing legs and legs when you are standing up. So, like I said, we're going to be doing a drop set workout. So the first exercise is going to be a bended front squat, straight to the goblet squat, straight to the air squat. And we'll take a minute break and do the next 3 exercises. So follow me, try to pick a band and try to pick weights where you can do about 10 to 15 repetitions a piece. Don't make fun of my squat too much. My knees have been killing me. I'm not very mobile, but I do the best that I can. If you hear weird creaking noises, those are my knees, in fact. So anyway, without any further ado, let's get going. Front squat, so I have the band in front of me. Legs spread out. I'm going to try to track my knees along towards my feet as best as I can and keep my chest up as high as I can. So ready? 1, 2, 3, and let's go. 1. Keep it up. Oh yeah, those are the knees creaking. It's okay. Stretch all the way up. And up. And up. Keep it up. I got about 5 more in me. One more. And 5. Straight to the goblet squat. So you have a dumbbell or a kettlebell. Keep it close to your chest. Let's get going. Nice and slow and under control. About 3, 4, maybe 5 more. Let's see. Control the weight all the way up and all the way down. I'm good for 2 more. 1 and 2. Drop the weight, push your feet, and air squat. Control the movement once again. Good for 5 more or so. Push it with me, guys. 1. And 5. Alright, thanks a lot. Pause the video for a minute, come back in a minute, we'll do the next 3 exercises. Alright, welcome back. Now we're going through a bended lunge and dumbbell lunge and a lunge with no weights, or an air lunge, whatever you want to call it. So put the bend under your feet. I choke up a little bit, get a little bit more resistance, and we're going to go one leg, and then we're going to switch to the 3 exercises on one leg and then 3 on the other leg. Ready? Let's go. 1. I've been running the last couple of days, that's why the knees are creaky. That's hurt. They just creak. Alright, 5 more for me. I'm gonna be done with this one. 1, 2, 3, come on. 4, nice and slow, and 5. Grab your dumbbells if you have them. Ready? Let's go. 1. 3 more. 1, 2, all over is good. And 3. Drop things, watch your feet. And same leg, same leg. Let's go. Good push. 1, 2, 3. Come on with me. You want to go for 5 more. 1, 2, 3. Ouch. 4. Squeeze 1 more with me. And 5. All right. Pick it up for a couple seconds. Switch legs, so it's going to be my left leg forward this time around. Bend up and choke up. Get in position, straight back and straight down. Squeeze up 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last 1 and 5. All right. Then goes to the side. Dumbbells. Same leg. Let's go. 1, 2. Nice job. 3. Keep it up. 4. 3 more. 1, 2, and 3. Drop the weight and no weight. Let's go. Same control motion. 1, 2, 3, 4. I want 5 more. I think I can do it. I'm not sure. 1, 2, 3, 2 more. For me. 1 and 2. Alright. Give that video another 1 minute pause and come back in a minute, guys. Alright, welcome back. Last 3 exercises. Straight leg deadlift using dumbbells and a band. And then I'm going to drop to a single leg. I think there's some people call them pigeon deadlifts. I'm going to do as many as I can on each leg, alright? So let's get moving here. Now grab this band, get into good position. Get it over my head, around my neck. It works. Grab the dumbbells. So what happens with the band, when it's completely retracting, doesn't provide any resistance. So I do like grabbing dumbbells for a little extra resistance right off the bat. Knees pretty much straight. And let's go. 1, and lock it out. 2, 3, 4, 5. Try to keep your shoulders back as much as you can. Go as far down as your flexibility allows you to go, while keeping your back straight. This bit takes my breath away a little bit. Let's go for 3 more. 1, 2, and 3. Drop the dumbbells and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Also called good mornings, I believe. 6. Keep it up with me. I'm going to go for 3 more. 1, 2, and 3. Take this thing off, go far, far away. Move these out of the way just in case I slip. So single leg, I'm gonna start with my right leg. And bend forward, and back. Try not to put this leg down while you do this. Down, and up. Keep your balance as good as you could possibly do. And up. And up. I'm gonna try to do 3 more on this leg. 1, 2. And last one. And 3. Switch legs. I have better balance on one leg than the other. So do the best that you can, guys. 1. This is much easier to do on a little harder surface with no shoes on as I fall. 2. Keep it up with me. Don't give up. I fell. I just pick myself right back up, and I keep going with the best balance that I can manage. So keep it up with me. 3 more for me. 1, 2. Oops, lost balance, but I want to finish it up. And 3. Alright guys, thanks a lot for joining me. I'm going to pause the video for 30 seconds, get a drink of water, come back for a 2-minute cool down. Alright, welcome back. We got our 2-minute walk just to cool off a little bit. Thanks for joining me today for a great workout. That was fun. Nice and quick. Like I said, it's a great set to add to your leg day or any other day. If you're doing a full body, it's what, 5 or 6 minutes of work. This will be a great set to throw in there. It also teaches you maybe how to use the band in conjunction with the dumbbells. So that was fun. Anyway, back to my usual spiel. Before I say that, don't forget to subscribe if you're joining me for this. Give me the thumbs up, hit the bell. Today I'm wearing my 2009 Ironman Kona t-shirt. I don't know, I just felt like it was an appropriate thing to wear since these legs got me here. I just figured, why not, right? And I also have the blue and the red lights because I'm gonna wear red and blue. Anyway, thanks for joining me again, guys. It was a great workout today. As I always say, workouts are great, but we are made in the kitchen. We can get as lean as we want to in the kitchen. This is just here to let us get more fit, build more muscle, build more cardiovascular fitness. Leanness, however, comes from the kitchen. It doesn't come from burning 1 or 2 or 300 calories doing a 20, 30-minute workout. That's not it, guys. It comes from the kitchen. 300 calories is nothing. You have a couple pieces of fruit, you have 300 calories. So once again, watch what you eat, be mindful of what you eat, jot it down, use any app you like, and just try to stay in a caloric deficit at least a little bit. Doesn't have to be much. I don't recommend more than 400 calories. A lot of people say 5. I say 4, maybe go for a walk, get you 5 that way. We all like eating, we don't want to cut out too much because we can maintain that. That's my advice for today. A little bit of the caloric deficit, not too much. Be patient, it'll come, and you'll be able to keep it off much easier. Anyway, my 2 minutes is up. Thank you so much for joining me. I'll see you guys next week. I'll see you on Monday for another great cardio workout. See you later.